Hola mis amores, bienvenidas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, you can subscribe on the bottom of this page and be sure you do turn that bell notifications to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you have social media, you can follow me on Makeup Artist 27, Makeup Artist 27, and that will be on Facebook and on Instagram. And if you do like the video, be sure you do give it a thumbs up. Let's just go ahead and get started on today's video. On today's video, we are playing with a new palette that just came out a few weeks ago, and it's one of the palettes that I fell in love when I saw. I was like, every palette is like that. Every palette is like that. But yeah, I saw it and I was like, I need to get this. I need to get this. The colors were magical. It had some glitter colors that were stunning, and I was just in love. So on today's video, we are playing with a new palette from Juvias place, which is Wahala. Translation is drama, which is this palette right here. Look at that. I got it like last week, I believe, and I totally love it. I just sneaked it a bit. I just saw it now and I was like, oh my god, so pretty. So that's why I put this t-shirt, because I might play with a blue. I haven't done blue in a long time, so I'm like, let's do blue today. So in today's video, we're gonna do some blue, and I'm gonna read you a little bit of the description here. It says Wahala. It's a Nigerian word translation for drama, trouble, and intensity, often used as a word and a slang in Nigerian pidgin English or drama palette. It's a powerful selection of contrasting colors which exemplifies our inner struggles and beliefs, defending and owning your beauty in an artistic way, regardless of societal norms and standards, or definition of a rainbow palette in its most beautiful, authentic, and dramatic form. It's a pressed pigment. It has some pressed pigment colors in there. They have some glitters, and yeah, I'm so excited to try this palette. It's cruelty free, which is amazing. And yeah, let's open this baby so you guys can sneak a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful palette. It came well packaged, which is bubble wrap and everything. And let's see, look at that. Same thing as in the front, and when you open it, voila. Oops, it has a plastic cover. Amazing. Look at that beautiful palette. Oh my god, stunning. Stunning is this beautiful palette. I totally love it. Love it. It had some glitters over here. There's some glitters, shimmer colors, satin colors. You got everything in here, from red to blues to orange, pink. You have all different type of colors in here. It's like your own rainbow. It kind of has like all the colors that are introduced in this, pretty much, because I see yellows and green, the blue. I see all of that, which is amazing. And it's such a beautiful palette. I love it. All right guys, so I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do all of them. But I'm gonna swatch some glitter, some satin colors, just to get an idea of how the formula is. So I'll give you the names. I'm gonna go and do, let's see, let's use Fighter. Let's use a Fighter. It's like a shimmer color. Let's use Fighter, and let's use Rumors. See, look at that, beautiful. Ooh, that's a true amazing color. Wow, I'm telling you, I always loved Juvias place. Now we have Rumors. Stunning orangey shimmer color, stunning. For the satin colors, I am going to do let's do Busy Body, which is that pink, and let's do the Woke. So the pink and the purple, let's use those. I want to use that blue. I want to try the clouds. I want to try pepper body, and I do want to try envy. So we got the blue here, pepper body, and envy. Those look stunning. Stunning. Alright guys, so those were a couple of the swatches that you saw. I spoke a little bit on the background, but totally beautiful colors. Those that are like loose glitters, I'm probably gonna use that glue from NYX, the glitter primer, because it's really loose. I don't know if it's gonna stick to my lid like that, but this is what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna prime my eyes. We can find, hopefully we can find a primer. I'm gonna use the Pink Louise. And let's use it. I'm gonna put it on my palm or hand, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna use this little sponge right here, just dab it. I'm gonna prime my eyes like that. This is how Nikki Tutorial does it. So I wanna try it. She always uses a sponge. I'm gonna zoom you guys a little bit. And since we're using Juvias Place, I am going to be using the powder, setting powder, just to set that up a little bit. I don't always use it like that, but let's do it. I'm gonna dab a little bit on my sponge and then just I'm probably gonna do just one eye, and I want to do like a fast tutorial. I always end up doing 15-minute tutorial, 20-minute tutorial. So I want to do one eye. I'm gonna do everything off camera and come back. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do like a smoky eye, because I want to use that blue because I have the blue shirt, but I don't have like blue with what. Like I don't want to put like all pink and blue, like, you know what I mean? So I don't want to do that. I'm gonna start with Pride, which is this one right there. Like, it's not caramel, it's like a weird color. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a gray. Maybe I'll say like a little gray brown, but it's, I don't know, it's hard to describe it. But that's gonna be like my main transition, I guess, just to start with something. Then I'm gonna go into Cyst, which is that black. It's not even super black, it's like black gray maybe, but it's not, it doesn't look like, it's not even black actually. It's kind of like a brown, like a maroon, really dark brown when you look at it. It's not super black. So we're gonna use this color. And I'm using Jeffree Star JS6. I love this for like padding on crease. Super good for that. I'm gonna pack that color in there. And it's kind of like a eyeshadow brush, kind of. Let's pack that there. Alright, I'm gonna cut the crease because I want it like halfway. And we're gonna come back. Alright, now I'm gonna use on Chuck, just like a gray, it looks like a gray shimmery color. And I'm using just an eyeshadow brush, Morphe M408. Let's see how it looks. It's really small. Same brush, I'm gonna use the blue Love. I do have a bigger one, but this is like the mini one. I don't know where it is, but this is the mini one glitter primer. I'm gonna put that on this same blue. So we're gonna use Clouds, that color right there. Same brush that I use for the glue. This is a Luxie, I think. Oh no, this is Alamar, but it doesn't tell me the name. It's just... Look at how that looks. Stunning, stunning. Alright guys, so this is how we're looking, and yeah, it's just like that dark color cyst on the on the outer corner, and then we have a little bit of that shimmer on Chuck on top of that same cyst, and then the blue. Nothing hard. I don't know, like I don't see it like wow right now, but maybe when I put like the final stuff, maybe it'll look better. I don't know, but let's see. I'm gonna do the other eye, do the rest of the makeup, like foundation, concealer, and all of that, because I don't want it to be a long video. So I'll be back. Let me finish the other eye and we'll tell you. Let's see how it comes out, guys. Alright guys, so I am back with my full face, and I'm gonna give you the details of everything so you can see how I accomplished this look. Foundation, I did use Juvias Place foundation. This is the color, I believe is Ibiza. For concealer, I use Infallible from L'Oreal. For setting powder, I did use Juvias Place setting powder, and this is White Sands. For bronzer, I did use Talk to the Pam from ColourPop. For highlighter, I did use Cheers Darling from Kylie Cosmetics. And for blush, one of my favorites, Alamar, and I did kind of I always mix these two colors right here. They are stunning. All right, for the lip duo, I did use Kylie Cosmetics. I did use Coconut lip liner from Kylie, and I top it off with a matte liquid lipstick. This is Exposed, amazing. And on top of that lipstick, I did use Kylie lip gloss. This is Crystal. I bought that like in a holiday combo, I think it was. For the lashes, I did use magnetic lashes, guys. For the first time, I did try the magnetic lashes with the eyeliner, and this was the kind of did like a swapping here. I did use the Ardell gel liner, and the Ardell lashes were not so volume, so I did use Kiss magnetic lashes, but this one is like you're supposed to clip them both together, but I just used the top one because they were more volume than the Ardell ones. Ardell ones didn't look like, I don't know, they didn't look so much volume when I looked at it. This is how the Ardell looked. So I did use the Kiss, and I think that's it. I haven't set the makeup, so I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild. And the inner eyeliner was the Tarte Tiest. I think that's it. For the cat eyeliner over here, I did use the Better Than Sex eyeliner. Mascara, I did use Mile High Club from Wonder. It's a good mascara. Alright guys, so we are done with the makeup. I hope you guys enjoy it and liked it. Super simple. I didn't know it was gonna come out this way, but everything came out better when you put everything together, you know. And we have the new palette Wahala, and it's so pretty. I love it. Super pretty palette. And yes guys, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I'll see you in my next video guys.